All right, friends, we are done with our beautiful purse. It turned out so good, way better than I even thought it was gonna turn out. I cannot believe I made this.
So I wanted to take you with me behind the scenes a little bit on how easy it was to sew this up. I love that they had the precise pinholes, so it was super easy. They sent you all the hardware you need. Here I'm showing you that hardware, and then it was just as easy as hand stitching, just straight stitches. What I really love is they had a full video tutorial, so you can't see here, but behind the scenes I've got my video, my phone propped up with the video going, showing me exactly what I need to do next, and it was just so easy. It was so relaxing. I got to do a little bit here at the table. I went outside and worked on it for a little bit. I went over to my dining room area, my living room area. I took it with me everywhere because it was just so fun, and it was just easy to take with me wherever I went. I'll say one of my favorite parts was every time that I got finished with a section, you got to burn the thread, and I just love doing that, kind of finishing a goal. Here I'm almost done. I just need to put the handle on. I cannot believe how easy this was. Honestly, I was so worried about how it's gonna take or if I was gonna be able to do this, but it was so easy and so rewarding. And my purse turned out so beautiful. I am so obsessed. I'm so excited I picked this purse because I've been using it every single day since I finished it.
I could wear it like a crossbody. I could wear it just regularly on my side. I have the smaller strap too, so I could wear it on my arm or just kind of carry it on the side. It is so cute. I am obsessed with it. I love the little clasp. It's got a really nice pocket, and then it's got a little pocket too. I love it, and it smells so good. And I just love the fact that I made this myself. I'm gonna have to go check out more of their kits because they were so cute, and it was just so fun to make at just a random time. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes. Check them out if you want to. They're good quality. I really love it. And all the information is in my info box below, so if you want to go, just check them out. And there's also a code Diana10 that gives you 10% off if you did want to make one. But I just love it so much. I hope you do too. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all next time.